Welcome to a series of presentations on MCP 13.0 Workload Management. To improve the usefulness of the collected workload management statistics data, a statistics data repository has been introduced. The statistics data repository is a SQL database that resides on the administrator's PC, where all of the extracted statistics data from any host system is maintained. The database eliminates the need for individual extraction files and provides methods for producing reports that span longer time periods. The SQL database does not require a license. There is no cost and reduces the impact of statistics data processing and reporting on the administrator's Windows PC. At any time, the administrator can remove old data from the repository for archival purposes or to reduce the repository size. This archived data format is also a SQL database which can be processed directly to create reports or re-added to the current repository. A possible scenario for archiving statistical data would be to create archives for each year with only the current year's data in the active repository. The statistics repository is fully integrated with the scheduled statistics extraction process and the manual extraction processes, and requires no additional action on the part of the administrator. With the introduction of the statistics data repository, the Workload Center Statistics Viewer has been restructured with the addition of a report style bar. The report style bar allows the administrator to select from any of the extracted data stored in the statistics data repository. The selection drop-down boxes, populated from the available data, allow choice of host, year, report period for which reports are to be displayed. Additional information on 13.0 Statistics Viewer updates is available in another how-to presentation. To simplify the extraction of statistics data into the statistics data repository, a mechanism to schedule statistics extractions is provided. The extraction or download of workload management statistics data from host systems to the administrator's PC for reporting purposes has been automated. This process runs in the background on a user-defined schedule, allowing the best use of available resources and or support of reporting requirements. The process supports daily, weekly, monthly scheduling at any time of day. The progress of an extraction can be viewed if desired. The process will attempt to restart at a clean point any interrupted extraction. This process removes the task of extracting statistics data from the Workload Management Administrator and ensures completeness of the data on the PC for reporting. If used correctly, the amount of statistics data stored on host systems can be reduced by decreasing the number of days worth being maintained. Also, the extraction time and network traffic costs can be moved to the most ideal time. The manual or on-demand extraction method is still available and can be used to populate the statistics data repository or portable SQL-like databases. The following is a short demonstration on setting up and monitoring of scheduled statistics extractions. To set up a scheduled extraction, right-click on the host name, select Host Admin, and then Scheduled Extractions. The new Scheduled Extractions dialog is displayed. The comments box is provided just for documentation purposes. The Scheduled Task drop-down box allows a selection of the frequency of extractions, daily, weekly, or monthly. The choice needs to be based on the amount of data being collected on the host system and any reporting requirements. Large amounts of data or frequent reporting requirements, a more frequent extraction schedule is required. The Start Time box allows the specification of time of day that the extraction will start. The user and password items are required to indicate what Windows credentials the extraction process should run under. The Enable Checks box enables or disables the extraction process without the loss of the specified parameters. You can view all of your scheduled tasks by opening the Windows Scheduled Tasks folder. It displays what scheduled tasks you have, when they were scheduled, next run, last run time, as well as any status information. The extraction that I scheduled earlier in the demo is now starting. A Workload Management icon in the task tray is the only visible indication. If you would like to monitor the extraction, double-clicking the icon will open the Scheduled Statistics Extraction dialog. The status of the extraction is displayed in the dialog's lower frame. The extraction process runs in 2 steps: extraction of the data from the host and import of the extracted data into the repository. With the successful completion of the extraction, we can see that the scheduled task information has been updated and the next scheduled start time set up. For a more complete description of the statistics data repository and scheduled statistics extractions, please refer to the Workload Center help text. This completes this workload management demonstration.